What is going on, guys? This is Boy Sharpness. Today we're going to be learning how to create a SSH Bruteforcer using Java. Now, for this video, I've got a SSH server here we're going to be using, just for the test. My friend actually let me use this one because I didn't have an SSH server on hand. So, yeah, shout out to whoever that is. You guys know who that is. Well, you guys won't know, but they will know. So we're going to start off with creating our class. I'm just going to do this very quickly. It's very easy to make a SSH Bruteforcer, so you just need the SSH library. So I'm going to go brute I'm gonna leave a link in the description, guys, to the library. Now I'm not gonna walk you through every single thing we're doing here because I'm sure you guys know how to program in Java. If you don't learn before you want to do shit like this, okay, thank you. So yeah, I should have it over here. Yeah, JSch well, 1.55 is what I'm using. 1.55 or 1.55 or whatever. Okay, that's the version I just have installed, so we're gonna be using that. I'll leave a link to it in the description if I can find it. So we're going to start off with some stuff. Okay, so we're going first things first. We're going to do private file passwords equals new file. Then we're just going to do passwords.txt. Okay, so we're going to have a file for the passwords. We're going to basically go through a list of passwords, and we're going to try each one until one of them is correct. Then we're going to print out which one's correct. Okay, and then we're going to make a public static void main. Okay, and we're also going to create. I'm just going to throw an exception here. Fuck it. Actually, no, let's not throw an exception here. We're also going to create a private list. Actually, let's make this a set. You guys can use set or list. I honestly love using sets way more than a array list right now because generally you don't want to have duplicate passwords. That's going to waste a lot of time. And sets actually automatically remove any duplicates you do have. And the only difference with the array list that I think is that in an array list, let's say you put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order, it'll actually print out like this. But with a hash set, it will actually print out in random order, which I guess is not really the worst thing. So, you know, so we're going to make this string, and we're going to name this passwords. Let's make this passwords, and let's make this password file equals new hash set. Okay, actually, oh, I'm thinking. Okay, hold on, let's try this. Okay, so we can go try catch exception E. Okay, instead of here, let's just do passwords. First things first, we're going to do is we're actually going to make these statics so that we can actually access them. And then we're going to basically bring all of the password listings into passwords. So let's do passwords equals files dot read all lines, and then paths dot get, and then we're going to do passwords file. And then what's the issue here? It's because it returns a list. Okay, I'm thinking, how can we do this? Would it work if we? I don't think this will work because this isn't a. Yeah, I'm tripping. Okay. Let's change this to list then. I ain't tripping. Okay. List. I'm gonna change this to array list. Okay. Equals. There you go. So this is what we're going to have. Am I still recording? I just keep thinking after my recording stopped. I don't know why. I've got this weird problem with this. I'm just going to compact this over here. So this will basically just read the file. You can obviously print an exception here if you want to. We're not going to do that. So yeah, once you're done with that, you've got the passwords. Okay, the password should all be in here. Now we obviously want to create the connection to the SSH. So we're going to start off with JSch let's name this JSch equals new JSch. Okay, this is the object we're going to need. Then we can do session equals new JSch. No, equals new equals ch.get session, and then we can do so it's going to be username, this is going to be password, and this is going to be the port. We can do 22, and then we're going to do try exception. Okay, so for the username, normally if you're creating a Bruteforcer, you want it to have in the password list. If you're using the password list, you want to have like root password admin like password, like just random password, and random logins, like logins that you think would, like usernames that you think would be the administrator login, so like root admin stuff like that would normally be a login. And then password can be just a random password you have, or like a list of passwords you have. Obviously you don't have to use a password list, you can just do this all through the code, hard coded, but we want to make this just you know, basic. You guys can obviously mess around with it. So we're going to make the username root, and we're going to make the host. This isn't actually the password, I'm tripping, this is the host. Okay, the password is, I'll show you guys how to do the password in a second. So the host is going to be, let me actually get my IP address, config, okay, there we are. Then we can just paste this into there. That's all nice. And now we want to set the password, so we can go session.set password, and then we could do we actually want a loop, I forget, for string password passwords. Okay, there we are. Okay, then we're going to do password. Okay, then we want to set a property, so we're going to go java actually no, we don't need to do that, we can just do properties. I don't know why. Let's name this properties equals new properties, because in the last program I actually had, because I don't know why sometimes I do this, I make classes, named classes that are already in, like, I would name I can imagine myself naming a class ArrayList, even though there's already a class called ArrayList in Java. But yeah, I would fully be the person to do that. Okay, just weird guy, but yeah. Properties dot put, and then we can do strict host key checking. Then we can do no. I believe it's that. I might be wrong here, guys. That might not work actually. I'm pretty sure that's it though. And then we can go session dot set config properties, and then we can obviously add some more stuff. We can go like session dot set timeout. This is the timeout between each connection, and we can set this to like for the purpose of me running this on my own computer, I'm gonna set it to 2.3 seconds, and then we can do like session dot like let's see what else we can do here. Set host, you can actually do that properly separately apparently. Set port, set user info, set proxy. I believe you can actually use a proxy here, which is actually pretty cool. If you guys don't know how the proxy object works, it's pretty simple. Hopefully I get it first try. I might fuck up, who knows. I'll show you guys really quickly. Proxy, I believe you can do this proxy. I don't know if you can do I think you have to use this the JSch proxy to actually be able to do this, but I don't know if there's a way to do this with. We'll just make this proxy equals new proxy, and then we can do like, so what's the issue here? Hold on. Oh, okay. I can't be asked. Honestly, I forget how to do this, guys. I'm sorry. I haven't made a proxy in ages. Honestly, I don't use proxies for anything, but yeah, you can use proxies. Okay, I'm getting so off topic right now. But then we can do session dot connect, and then if it connects, we can do session dot disconnect. So what's going to happen here is if it connects, it's going to straight away disconnect, and we're going to make it print saying system. Actually, let's make it print after it disconnects. We're going to say system line password equals password, and then over here we can do system print line failed with, then we can do password. Okay, and that's all we need to do now. Literally, that's all we need to do. So we can actually build this. I'm going to quickly go here, then I'm going to go here, then I'm going to go here, here, then this is the main class. Okay. Copy the directory, and then we can do this. Okay, and now we can go cd. Excuse me. Hold on a second. Jesus Christ. One second, guys. What do you mean, bruh? Okay, this is bugging me out. Give me a second, guys. Jesus. Oh my god, honestly, I hate the fact that I store all of my fucking projects in here. Honestly, oh, I don't know why I do. What the hell was this? Oh, it was another YouTube tutorial, I remember. There you go. Excuse me? Okay, apparently it's not stored there. Guys, I need help. Oh, it's because it's not built yet. Jesus, no wonder it wasn't fucking taking me there. Guys, honestly, it's been a long ride, man. It's been a long freaking ride, okay. Jesus. But yeah, this should create the project, and then it's very simple to actually make a SSH Bruteforcer. It's ridiculous. But yeah. There you go. Jesus, yeah, that's okay. Then we can do java-jar, what was it? Another tutorial, but we're going to quickly, create the passwords file. Shit, I didn't mean to make that. Damn it. Passwords. And then inside of here, we can just add some passwords. So we can do like Bob12, Bob1111, Bob MLG, and then Bob123 is the actual password. Okay, I can add nice random numbers here. So Bob123 is what I set the password as on this server. And then we can run this, and then it will run. So we can wait. There you go. As you guys can see, password was found. Simple as that, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this. If you guys did find this useful, drop a like, subscribe, all that good shit. Peace out.